Did you plant pole beans? Planning to plant some, but you don't have a trellis? Use this easy to make 4-pole trellis for them to climb up. A trellis makes the beans super easy to pick. We built this trellis for my grandmother's pole bean plants to climb up.
When those pole beans are fully grown, they will climb up, and picking the beans is super nice and easy. Is digging some holes. You gotta line them up. Yep, that's okay. Angle the opposite way. No. There you go. Alright. Got the 4 holes. Let's put up some poles. That's 2 of them. Let's get the 3rd one in. Got them? Yeah. All right. Line them up so they're all pretty much lined up. There you go. That looks good. We'll do 2 of them together and then the 3rd one. The 3rd one in. Thank you, miss. Got it? Yeah. Put 1 more in. Yeah, this side will be better. Right there. Alright, let's just pack the dirt around the bottom and we're done. 2 of them. And your grandma will be real happy.
We used 8 6-foot long sticks, a 5-foot step ladder, an iron post hole bar, 10 screws, and a D-wall impactor.
Give me another pole. Another pole. Give me one smaller one. You set it in this hole here. Got them both. Okay, go get one more. Big one? Yeah. Set in that hole. Got them? Good deal. And also they. That's all 3 of them. Give me one more. Here. Stick in that hole. Perfect. How easy that was. More? Look, screw. Don't put one. Oh, okay. Stick one sideways. Let me put one near the top and I'll back that one out. Now it's solid. Anyway, that will do it. When those pole beans are fully grown, they will climb up, and picking the beans is super nice and easy.